Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Shira and welcome back to another YouTube video. So as you can see by today's title, it's going to be a content day / weekend vlog. Now I'm just getting ready for tomorrow. I work for 4 hours tomorrow, which I don't know why, but I work for 4 hours. I ain't complaining. And after work, I'm going straight to Tati's house so she can reinstall my wig for me. But I'm having trouble getting this lace glue out. So I saw a YouTube video. I mean, not YouTube video. I saw a TikTok video on how to take lace glue out. Basically, just have to boil water and leave your wig in there for like 10 minutes. And when the glue looks whitish, it's able to come off like a sticker. So that's what I'm gonna try. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys the plan. So like I said, tomorrow I'm going to work for 4 hours. Then I'm gonna come home, take a shower, wash my hair, all of that. But I'm washing my wig tonight, so I don't have to do it tomorrow because it's gonna take some time, I feel like, because it's already been an hour me trying to take this glue off the dang wig. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys the plan, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I am at Tati's. Well, I'm in the garage waiting for her to come get me because I have no idea where to go and I don't like going places by myself. Yeah, I'm just waiting on her. I have no service, so I don't know how she's gonna know where I'm at, but just wanted to let you guys know that I'm here, about to get my hair did. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse like always, because you know it's gonna be a long process. I'll see you guys when Tati is doing my hair. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I just realized I didn't show you guys my install. Today is Saturday. It is 5:52. I just uploaded my weekend vlog, so make sure you guys check in on that. I'm not doing anything, just wanted to come on here and just say hey because I didn't talk to you guys after my hair appointment. And yeah, tomorrow's content day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? It's much later in the week. It's not even Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Content day got canceled. Well, not canceled, but more like rescheduled. It's gonna be rescheduled to tomorrow, which is Wednesday, but I'm just make that a separate video because I need to take pictures for Instagram because I haven't done so. I think the last time I posted a picture was November. That was Thanksgiving. I'm about to get ready to take pictures with my new clicker and tripod that I got. But my sister's coming with me because people in Georgia are dangerous and crazy. Yeah, but I'm about to watch something while I do it because I'm an iPad kid. I need to watch stuff.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still till they groove aside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Alright guys, so we made it to the destination. I'm in my sister's school garage at the top. The sun is going down. Let me put my jacket on so y'all can see the fit. So this is where we're taking pictures. Alright y'all, so this is my first time using it. See the stick? Oh my, I think I lost my clicker. I don't have a purse, but y'all saw the fit. I'm gonna take pictures right here. I'm gonna put lashes and lip gloss on because, yeah. All right guys, so I put lashes on. Well, my sister put lashes on. And I put lip gloss.
Fall off for years.
Alright y'all, I'm done. That's how I take my pictures. I will link this thing in the description box. I'm about to rip these lashes off because I'm done. And hopefully my next content day goes as planned. Hold on, let me do my outro in the car because it's loud. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I had a really great time just here with me and my sister. You know, you can never go wrong with your sibling being around you. But yeah, so since content day didn't work out, hopefully we can do it tomorrow and I'll make that a separate video for next week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Mwah!